I'm gonna go see Isabelle and see what my rating is. See if we've gotten up to 5 stars yet. Did it! I did it! 5 stars! No, that means I get a new recipe. We finally did it! Awesome! Nice. Bamboo speaker, clay. No casino today then. You lost 2,000 points. I wish I could find a laid back game to play, but not this game. I'll have to look around. What's wrong with this game? It's it's very addicting. But I suppose it's not for everybody. I gotta make this watering can. Let's see here. What do I need? Let's just go over to tools. Gold nugget and watering can. So I need to get a gold nugget and a workbench. Oh look, you won double the amount of points you lost. There you go. So I'm looking for a gold nugget. I've got 18. And I need a DIY bench. That's not it. Let's see here. Here's one. Oh. Get rid of the shovel. Bam. Am I not carrying a watering can? I am carrying an elephant watering can. Okay, what do I need to make a watering can then? Iron and a flimsy watering can. Softwood. I need softwood and iron. Wait, I don't even think I have space. I do not. I'm gonna sell all this stuff. Let's get something out. Let's see here. Iron. I don't have a regular watering can. Got a lot of watering cans though. And some iron. Alright. First we've got to make a flimsy watering can. We gotta take that flimsy watering can and make a watering can. Now we take that watering can and we make a gold watering can. All done. Can we show it off? Nice. My first watering can. Can you customize them? Nope. Let's see here. What did I get? Golden milestone. Oh, so you get Nook Miles for making the gold versions of each tool? What do I need to get the rest of the tools in gold? There's 4 more spots. Will I get one for making a gold wand? Is there a gold axe and a gold shovel? These are things I want to know. Is there a gold net? I'm gonna have to look this up. Let's try making a gold wand. I need some star fragments. Oh, I hit the wrong thing. What's that? Otro shovel. Look at all my star fragments. I've made a gold wand. Let's set it down. Did it give me... Nope. That doesn't count as one of the tools, so obviously... Yep. So hold on a second. I'm gonna look this up. And I'm gonna see. Gold tools. All right. What do we got here? There's a golden axe. Break 100 axes. I got the golden slingshot. Golden fishing rod. Catch every fish in the Critterpedia. Okay. I got the golden watering can. The golden net. Catch every bug. So, the golden shovel. It says, saving Gulliver on the beach 30 times. But that's, we've yet to see an official confirmation. Okay. So I have to break 100 axes, and I have to catch every fish and every bug. What am I at here? Missing 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, what am I at for fish? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 fish I don't have. So that's just gonna have to be something I work towards.